Hey, welcome to the Learning Fun Show. Today, this is our math practice. And let me go ahead and read the problems for you before you do this in your notebook or on a piece of paper. First of all, we have fill in the missing number. So you're going to have to put a number in the blanks. And so you're going to go ahead from number 16 all the way to number 23 and try to use your detective skills to figure out what number goes in those blanks right there. And then you have your double facts. You have 9 problems right here doing double facts. So go ahead and do those. And then we have a story problem. So let me go ahead and read the story problem for you. Monkey has 5 bananas. Horse ate 3 bananas. How many bananas does monkey have now? So like I said before, get a notebook or a piece of paper right now and do these problems. Hit pause on the video, and when you're ready to get the answer, hit play again, okay? All right, let's begin. All right, welcome back. All right, let's take a look at the first problem here. Fill in the missing number. We have a blank in between 16 and 18. And it looks like they're going by ones, doesn't it? So we have 16, 17, 18. So let's go ahead and put the number 17 in there. 17. So let's see what this blank would be. Let's go 16. Let's count. 16, 17, 18, 19. What comes after 19? You're right, 20. Then we have 21, 22. Oh, you guys are fantastic this morning. And then 23. All right, let's go ahead and do our double facts. Double facts are so fun, but they're really important in mathematics. All right, 3 plus 3. You got it, 6. All right, 7 plus 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14, yeah. 2 plus 2. 4. 4, very good. 8 plus 8. 16, yeah, all right. 10 plus 10. All right, you got 10 fingers, 10 toes, count them up. What do you got? 20. 5 plus 5. A 5 and a 5. Put them together, you got a 10. 1 plus 1. Uno, dos. 2. 6 plus 6. 12. Yeah. Got to make math fun. You just got to do it. 9 plus 9. 18. All right, let's take a look at this story problem right here. Monkey has 5 bananas. I know, Monkey, you love your bananas. He's a little upset because Horse ate 3 bananas. Horse, why did you eat? You don't eat bananas. You eat apples. Come on. But he wanted to try some of your bananas, Monkey, okay? All right, just relax. We got to share. Remember, we got to be respectful and nice and kind and share. And I know, Monkey, I know you love your bananas. But anyway, let's see how many bananas he had left, all right? Monkey has 5 bananas. Horse ate 3 bananas. How do we solve this problem? Do we use addition, subtraction, multiplication, division? How do we do it? All right? We have to use subtraction. We have to take away, okay? So we have 5 minus 3. Now, with all story problems, I love to write them out, all right? So you gotta write them out. So sometimes I'll draw drawings. So you could do drawings for this one. 5 bananas, all right? So let's just use circles for bananas. I know a circle is like an apple, but all right, we'll use like an oval, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all right? That represents the 5 bananas. Okay, so Horse ate 3 bananas, okay? I know Horse, we'll get you some apples, okay. So he ate 3 bananas, right? So we have to cross off 3 of those bananas. 1, 2, 3. What does that leave us with? 2. So how many bananas does Monkey have now? 2. Monkey, don't worry about it. I'll get you some more bananas. So there is a total of 2 left because we did 5 minus 3, which would be 2. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. Make sure you're subscribing to my channel because I'm going to try to get some daily work out to you from Monday through Friday so that you can do it in your classroom at home. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show, and we'll talk to you later. Adios!